Hey guys, so I'm about to head to the gym. I literally have not been working out in about 3 months, but that's how it goes around the holiday season. Of course, eat everything you want and all that. So if you guys don't know, last year was the year that I lost all my weight. I lost 55 pounds, and if you guys have not seen that video, I will link it in the description box. So unfortunately, I did gain some weight over the holidays. So I gained probably about 10 to 15 pounds, and I need to get that off immediately. It's January. I'm motivated. I have a trip planned in 4 months, so I have about 4 months to get this weight off. 4 months. Since I have not been working out, today at the gym I'm going to do a full body workout. So I'm gonna start the workout with cardio. So I'll have to start off slow, of course, because I have not been in the gym a while. About 20 minutes. So I'm going to walk for 1 minute, jog for the next minute, walk for the following minute. And I always use an incline of about 10 and higher. So I'm gonna do this for about 20 minutes, get my heart pumping, and then I'm gonna head to do the Stairmaster. Now I love the Stairmaster. Stairmaster is one of my favorite machines to use, as you're gonna feel it literally everywhere. And also you can do variations on the Stairmaster. You can jog, you can run, you can jump, you can do a full circle on it. I just love the Stairmaster, and your legs and your butt, you're gonna look amazing. And you know, summer is coming, guys. Summer is coming, and this is the perfect month to start working out. So by the time summer comes, your body will be there. Start off with legs and butt. This is one of my favorite machines to use, and I do light lifting, but I do 10 reps of it. A lot of variations of this. I like to sit at the edge, and I do heavy lifting with this. So ab work is very important if you want a flat stomach, you want a definition. You have to do abs every day that you're at the gym. So the major key of losing weight is to eat healthy, smaller portion sizes, and to work out 3 to 5 days out of the week. That's it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my video, and I'm going to see you guys later.